Milli means 1,000th of the base unit. Milli is a prefix that tells us to divide something by 1,000. Imagine you have one whole cookie and you cut it into 1,000 tiny equal crumbs. One of those crumbs is a milli of the cookie. Scientists and everyday tools use milli to talk about very small amounts, like a millimeter, which is 1,000th of a meter, or a milliliter, which is 1,000th of a liter. The prefix helps keep measurements neat, so we do not write lots of zeros, we just put the word milli before the unit. A common mistake is thinking milli means the same as micro or nano, and those are much smaller, so do not confuse milli with those. Remember, milli is 1,000th, which is larger than 1 millionth or 1 billionth. Another mistake is dropping the unit after saying milli, which makes the amount unclear, so always say milli and the unit like millimeter or milliliter. Students also sometimes move the decimal the wrong way when converting. A quick tip is to practice by converting whole numbers first and count 3 places because 1,000 has 3 zeros. Visit www.gumbledegree.com to find more videos and resources on prefixes and measurement.